Hello, thank you for checking out this room tour of the classic junior suite in the Servatur Puerto Azul in Gran Canaria. As you can see, as you come in through the front door, you've got your main living area, which is your dining table with a toaster. You've got your sofa bed, where this apparently sleeps one adult and one child. I slept on the sofa pull-out bit last night. It's not too bad, but it's not amazing. I think some of the bigger rooms, like the family suite and the villas, have got 4 beds. So if you've got that option, it might be worth having a look at considering upgrading to it. You've got your TV, which comes with just your standard channels, but you've also got Netflix, YouTube, and the option to cast from a device. So you can cast like Disney Plus or Amazon Prime or anything like that to the TV from your iPad. You also get these really handy USB and USB-C wall chargers, so you don't need all the travel plugs. You've got then your little kitchenette area where you get a coffee maker. The iron is one that we brought. You also get a kettle, sink area, fridge with a little freezer compartment, and you get a free bottle of water. Your bin, glasses, wine glasses, plates, cups, all that, and your microwave. And you've got quite a lot shoe storage by there. When we unpack, then you've also got quite a large double wardrobe just in the main living room. You've got your toilet and bathroom area, which comes with quite a nice large walk-in shower, two different head options, and then into the bedroom where you've got your 2 single beds, and again you've got lots of USB ports for charging. The beds are nice and comfortable. You've got another wardrobe area there with a case and all your pull-out wardrobe. Each room as well, so you've got air conditioning controls in the main room and the bedroom, so you can have 2 different temperatures in each one. And then you get your balcony with your 2 sunbeds, and then a place to dry some of your towels and things like that. We're quite lucky we're in block 2, so you get a nice view over Puerto Rico, and it's not too far to walk up to the pool and restaurant area. I'm hoping to do a couple more videos on like the restaurant, the football pitch, where the evening entertainment is, and around the pool area and slides, just if anyone's interested in that. Check it out. Hope you enjoy.